त्रिपुरा हास्टेनि गोबांमा अर्गानाइजेशन कथावै जॉइंट एक्शन कमिटी ऑफ सिविल सोसाइटी हिनै खाजाक बरनि बखाक्तै तिनि पालायजाखा हायं हाखतर हानि बोसारनि साल अ सालनो रगै आगरतलानि दशरथ भवन संथाजाक पांडाव नारायकरा ताइ सेंसेरनाय नारवा इंगै फाइमानजा फाइका हास्टेनि त्रिपुरा साहामक्राय मंत्री विकास देबबर्मा लगियो मानजाखा संगीत नाटक एकाडेमीनि सकात मानजाक रोजाब गोरों तरबाला देबबर्मा ताइ काउन्सिल ऑफ त्रिपुरा हदानि एडभाइजर दिलीप कुमार देबबर्मानो खबै डॉक्टर विजय देबबर्मा ताइ जुदा जुदा आदंरक अ सालनि पान्दानि बिसिंतै हायं हानि बोसारनि साल तामै पालायजा नां ताइ बोसोक जरानि सिम पालायजागि फाइका अ सालताम सानताइ अबरंग बसाइ खानारका जॉइंट एक्शन कमिटी ऑफ सिविल सोसाइटी नि जॉइंट कन्वेनर जीवन देबबर्मा
On 9 August 2024 at Dasarath Bhavan, and it is organized by Joint Action Committee of Civil Society. Abo ekta non-political and secular platform constituted by in the year 2011 by various civil society organizations and student organizations to safeguard the right of indigenous people. Enkai chini Joint Action Committee of Civil Society agi gilama samang kisa shortkai natini dakti thanai sai thanai singilama initiative nakha agi rogobo MBBS ni movement for rogo Tripura land and land revenue reforms bill khaipur rogo Ujjayanto place ni bung khaipur rogo enkai the constitutional 125th amendment bill ni for rogo chungilama deputation rikha chini memorandum submit keka citizenship amendment bill no for rogo chungilama bill khaidum sing tino jaga we are going to organize one seminar on the theme of protecting the right of indigenous people in voluntary isolation and initial contract tini chinoro invited speaker tongo borok phainai te chinoro moderated je khainai chinoro tongo jotono borok tini chino theme ne porsanai ang kaisona sanai ching horo jotono saimano first 1982 first meeting khayo United Nations working group on indigenous people o jagano next ngai take as a development 23rd December 1994 United Nations Assembly decided khaika bini ekta resolution by keka je International Day of All Indigenous People will be celebrated on 9th of August in every year. Inga abon poran text development nukja khatama 13 September 2007 one of the big achievement United Nations Declaration of the Right of Indigenous People Article 1 to 46 chung joton ojaga sanai nango chini tam right ojaga mention khaijaka ang tino ojaga elaborate khainen thaya ngai ojaga kilama chini right tungo abon porebo chinoro 22nd September 2014 no World Conference on Indigenous People tabok abono tab ensure khaijaka oje indigenous right no every country every state respect di abono implement khaina bagai ngai prothomo ang paithago aboni sakang te kaha kani sanai ang abono je we vehemently appeal and urge to the state government and the union government to fully recognize the ownership and protect our land, forest and natural resources and fulfill our right through the proper implementation of UN DRIP and sign in Article 1 to Article 46 declared on 13 September 2007. Okay, in the same year, World Conference on Indigenous People of Abachi Nikilama right was ancient Kajaka. We also vehemently appeal and urge to the state government and the central government to incorporate the Cockburg language in Roman script under the schedule of the Indian Constitution. At present, Chin Tripura ho sung jotono saibano sung just ang ojaga kaini ekta issue ang ojaga chini dignitaries ni busong ang highlight khane musugo sung jotono saibano chin oro 1st September 2000 1st August o kaisa Supreme Court ekta judgment kha ojaga chajaka je chin oro validity of sub classification within SC or ST has been held and constitutionally permissible khaika Supreme Court ni judgment gojaga tab sajaka je creamy layer even ST rogo identification khanian bagai ab imperative for the state government abro tabuk thinking khajak ngo Supreme Court ni judge no chung ab honor khayo fiaba chin tabuk question payo je chini reservation ojaga tab sajak ngo reservation has to be limited only for the first generation or one generation and if any generation is in the family has taken advantage of the reservation and achieved higher status, the benefit of reservation would not be logically available to the second generation. Chini reservation feature chini baga onek threat tongo karon chung first generation jodi maka even second ko chini generation ko abo question khajana gete kaisa last ang issue ka sanamu sungo chini tripura hawo gana ni je chini surrounding bangladesh chini gilama je kotor issue chung joto nuka abron nugo is mokol na chumui tongo chini o chini hawo kun ekta phatani boro kun chung jodi